Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to graph about this one. This is about from 0 to number 1 and from 0 to number 1 for y. So we need to graph about y equals to x squared and x equals to y squared. So the first thing that should be like this. This is about y equals to x squared, and the second one, this is about x equals to y squared. So because this is about dx, so if we use about y equals to x squared, if we use about this integration of dx, we can find the area in here. But if we use s equals to y squared, so we can find the area in here. So we can see that this one is bigger than this one. So that means we need to select about y squared. So now we have like this. So because we don't have s, the integration of dx, you got about s. So we put number 1 go in here, number 0 go in here. And we have 1 minus number 0, and that is about number 1. So the integration of this one, that is about the square root of b over number 2, and we have error function. Now we put number 1 go in here, number 0 go in here. And this one equals to number 0, and we just have only this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.